Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Beef and potato stew, or Siga Dinach Wot, on the menu today. So we're going to need some cured beef, potatoes, onion, garlic, tomato, Burberry powder, some Ethiopian spice butter or kibe, salt, water and some sunflower oil. We're going to start off in a dry pan for 4 minutes. Let's just cook those onions off, get a nice little bit of colour on them. Next, in goes the oil, the garlic. I'm going to go for about 4 more minutes. Now it's time to add the beef. Now we want to cook this for about 7 or 8 minutes. Make sure it's cooked really nicely, stirring often. At this point we're going to add the Burberry powder. Now Burberry powder needs to cook for quite a while, so 5 or 6 minutes stirring all the time now. Time for some tomatoes, get them in. 5 minutes, they'll cook down really nicely. In go our potatoes, as you can see, cut nice and big. We'll add a bit of salt now. 5 minutes, or 5 or 6 minutes in fact, let them go. In goes the kibe, or the Ethiopian spice butter. Let that do its thing for a couple of minutes. Stick the lid on. Now what we're going to do, get a bit of water in there. And we're just looking now to cook our potatoes until they're tender. So another 5 or 6 minutes or so. That's it. Check that for salt. Get yourself some injera. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.